I know it's not technically silk press season, but I've been working really hard to try and find a routine that works for me no matter what all year long, and I think I finally figured it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to see how I got this look. Scalp health, bond repair, and moisture are my key factors right now, so that's today's combo. I don't stick to just one type of product or specific product every week, so it kind of varies, but for the most part, this is what I look for when I'm shopping for hair products, and so far they're working for me. After letting my hair dry for a little while in an old cotton t-shirt, this is like my rule of thumb. I don't use towels to dry my hair. I always use a t-shirt. It dries faster, and in my opinion, it kind of snags on my hair a little less, so this is my go-to. I go in and section my hair in fourths just to like make it more manageable as far as making sure I can really get to the root. Last thing you want is to think that your hair is fully blow dried and you still have wet roots, and it just takes away from the overall look of things. So I like to really take my time on this step. Blow drying is key. It cuts down your time as far as straightening, and it just makes your life easier. I've been loving these K18 drops for the past maybe 4 or 5 months now. I love that they're super lightweight, but I can absolutely tell that it's helping the health of my hair. After having 3 kids and constantly putting heat on my leave out when I have sew-ins, my hair has definitely taken a beating, mostly in the front of my hair, but using these drops and the original K18 treatment has really transformed my hair lately, so it's worth every penny in my opinion. I also just recently started using this Amika blockade that I got from Amazon, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I've used it maybe like 3 or 4 times and I absolutely love it, and it's replacing one of my favorite products. Not only does this protect from heat damage, it also helps tame frizz. I'm very loyal to my products when I find stuff that works, and to be replacing something, to me, that means I've struck gold. So sign me up, I will purchase her over and over and over again. This bottle is actually almost empty because I love, love, love this Kenra blow dry mist. It is an additional heat protectant. Prioritizing protecting my hair against heat, which I know I'm gonna use, has been a game changer for me over the past few years because my curls come back. As you can see, it's pretty curly. I'm not sure why I used this brush to kind of like detangle right here, but I didn't do it for the rest of the video, and honestly, I don't do it often. I think I just grabbed this out of habit, but I didn't really need it. I also have a comb attachment on my blow dryer, so yeah, don't worry about this part. I really love this blow dryer so much, so please don't judge me for what it looks like. My sister-in-law put me onto this blow dryer, and I also saw her put this rubber band on it because if you know, you know. The attachment does not stay on. So I saw her do this, and yeah, here I am. I put mine on the highest setting for heat and air, and I just go to work. Using the t-shirt like I did in the beginning really helps absorb a lot of the water quickly in my hair, so I didn't have to let it sit long in the shirt. By the time I'm ready to blow dry, I have no issues at all with my hair being like soaking wet. It's just wet enough, plus the products. Also, this blow dryer gets really hot, so the combination of those things, the t-shirt, the products, and the blow dryer really helped me out. I don't have to spend a lot of time blow drying my hair anymore, and honestly, I'd say all of these things are worth the investment just because it saves time. After this, everything's pretty repetitive. I just make sure I take my time to go through. As you can see, my hair is fairly straight already. Learning to prioritize my blow dry instead of going back and straightening a bunch has really made a difference in my hair health. Not only does this prevent me from the snap, crackle, and pop when it's time to straighten my hair, wet hair and a flat iron do not mix, let me tell you. If you take your time on this step, everything after this is a breeze. And don't snag your ear like I did if you have piercings.
Enjoy not to.
See what you need one now. That shit hard, man.
He in love with glow, never got the cookie, but got my name tatted. Killer work, don't know who he killed, I heard that name tatted. Never full, when it's time to eat, I be his main battle. NYC, New York Fashion Week, Tommy Hill, Jackie. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. By 20 missed cows, he faded. White boy wasted, chin table. He don't wanna be kept, don't keep. He don't want the paper, then beef, don't keep. I don't get left, I really shit. He like Justin Bieber. B-A-D-D-E-S-T. Same hoes hating, used to wanna be besties. You can get your wig turned like Effie. I don't need insurance cause a bitch can't break me. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. By 20 missed cows, he faded. White boy wasted, chin Tatum. I don't wanna be saved, don't save me. You for everybody, nigga, don't claim me. Hate a nigga tryna tell me what to do. You ain't my daddy, I'm not your baby. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. By 20 missed cows, he faded. White boy wasted, chin Tatum.